Assalamualaikum and very good morning to all my viewers out there. Today with me I have a special guest from Brazil Space Research Center, or known as INPE, Mr. Ramdani. It's a pleasure to have you here.
Thank you.
Okay, Mr. Ramdani, for the past month we know that Amazon rainforest has been burning for 3 weeks. Could you describe your feelings with what happened to Amazon rainforest?
It's terrifying to think that the Amazon is the largest rainforest on the planet, which is creating 20% of Earth's oxygen, basically the lungs of the world, has been on fire and burning. I also feel outraged and heartbroken by what's happening to the Mura tribes and some incredible animals that used to live there as their home.
Okay, Mr. Ramdani, can you tell us the issues that happened at the Amazon rainforest?
Okay, based on my research, the Amazon rainforest has been on fire for the past month, and Brazil has declared a state of emergency in the region. So, the fires are destroying the homes of indigenous tribes and threatening millions of animal species. The number of fires in Brazil in this year is the highest on record since 2013 and is up by 85% from last year alone. So far this year, more than 80,000 fires in the county has been detected by Brazil Space Research Center, INPE, which is my place.
Can you tell us more detail about the causes of the Amazon rainforest burning?
The causes from the fire burning of the Amazon rainforest is from dry season, blaze spark from the natural source, logger and farmer that set fire to clear swamp. Cattle ranching is the main causes.
Okay, Mr. Ramdani, me and my viewers want to know what the effects after the burning.
The effect from the fire burning is losing a lot of animal species, water source damage, life quality decrease, and air pollution also can be the effect from the fire burning.
Okay, Mr. Ramdani, what's the solution to the Amazon rainforest burning?
The solution from me and my team is restoring the ecosystem services provided by the forest, including carbon storage, water cycling, and wildlife habitat. We can also reducing the build-up of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Rebuild up the wildlife habitat also can be the suggestion.
Okay, Mr. Ramdani, after you do your research, did you identify any values from the Amazon rainforest burning?
Okay, it has been our responsible to keep our nature safe and clean. As an animal lover, I should have protect the animal from the people that full of hatred, who kills animals only for money.
Okay, that's all from us, and thank you to Mr. Ramdani to come here to do some interview with me. So thank you.
Thank you for inviting me to the show.